For fine chemical raw materials, drying is never something to compromise on. Try our industrial microwave drying equipment. We provide customized drying processes exclusively for chemical materials, adopting microwave-penetrating heating technology. Materials heat up and dehydrate simultaneously from inside to outside. Constant temperature drying prevents kicking, oxidation and discoloration of materials. Full process automatic temperature and time control enables precise adjustment of moisture content, ensuring all dried finished products meet uniform standards and greatly reducing material loss. It features energy efficiency, high productivity and supports 24 hours continuous production.